Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're all good and safe in your home. Allah bless you and your family, inshallah. Today's discussion topic is what is web hosting and web hosting explaining beginner. Let's start the video now. Web hosting is an online service that makes your website connect accessible on the internet. When you purchase a hosting plan, you are renting space on a physical service to store all websites, files, and data. Web hosts provide the hosting technology and resources required for the effective and secure operate of your website. They are responsible for keeping the server up and running, implementing hosting security measures, and ensure that data such as photo, text, and other files are transferred successfully to the visitor browser. In the article, you will learn that the hosting is how it's work and what are the different type of web hosting available. In this video, I am showing you in detail explain the web hosting for the beginner. First headline topic is how does the web hosting work? The server that hosts your website is a physical computer that runs continuously to make the site available for visitor and all the time. Web hosting will allow you to store all the data of your website in the server of your provider. Once a user enter your domain name into their browser address bar, the web host server will transfer all the file necessary to load your website. You can host a website yourself but is require extensive technology skills. There are a lot of discussion making involved in creating a new website, including how and where to host it. Whether it's an online business blog or other type of website, the first step to building your online presence is sign up for a hosting account. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Love you to all and thanks to all. Thanks to watching my YouTube family. Allah Hafiz.